Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So I was in New York for a week. That's why I didn't post no footage. Thanks to everybody who's hitting me up to make sure I was okay. I should have said something, but sorry about that. But anyway, we out to do some testing. This is the green car with the I forgot the name of the body, but this is the green car, not the blue one. This is the green one. So I just threw the Nova body up there just to get some test hits in with it and see what happens and go from there. So I threw the stickers up there, get a quick walk around of it, and then we'll get some test hits in. Pretty low to the ground, so I know it's gonna scrape. See what happens, y'all. Alright, y'all, so the GNS is in there. Unfortunately, I forgot to charge it. So we'll get some test hits and see what happens. No! Let's see if them skids work. Nope. I mean, they did, but we still got some on the body. A few more test hits in, then we're gonna call it a wrap. Seem to be doing good, but I won't know until I put it on the system or the GNSS. But I did try different gears, and I wanted to see if I could just get it down there. A blue car probably leave how it is, but just wanted to try it on this one. All right, YouTube. So we're gonna call it a wrap. She got some nice new scars on her. She's no longer a shelf queen body. But I also want to get back out and test with the other body just to see if I will have the same problems. But I'll test with both bodies just to test the aerodynamics, because I think this being enclosed right here is considered a parachute to me. So that's why I get like that in the big end, but it's also bumpy in this parking lot. But anyway, guys, y'all stay tuned because we'll be coming with much more. We got a testing tool coming up this Sunday. We got a cash days coming up at the end of the month. We'll probably throw a list race. And stay tuned for the testing tools for sure. You know, everybody try to get faster, so way to get fast is the testing tool. The Mars took their job. They got them scrapes up there. But anyway, guys, sorry I wasn't able to post videos. As y'all know, the last event we had, I lost all the footage, and that footage was supposed to carry me through while I was gone, so y'all at least had something to watch, but it didn't work out that way, so sorry about that, guys. Anyway, I think I have 1 or 2 clips from that race that I took with my phone, if I'm not mistaken. I'll probably throw that up in there. If not, y'all stay tuned. I will be back out with this car to test this body and the other body, and then see how it goes from there. All right, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in.